All right, so here I have a 2015 Toyota Rav4 with a 2.5 liter engine, and I had a code P0420. And I just want to make this video real quick because maybe it'll save you some money. So usually when you get this code, I'd say like 9 times out of 10 you just have a bad catalytic converter. But in this case, for me, it could also just be that you have an exhaust leak. So here on this car, I had an exhaust leak after the catalytic converter right here. And as you can see, it has a bunch of like soot, and that's how I knew it was kind of leaking. So what I ended up doing was I took it to like an exhaust shop and just told them to cut like that flange out and just put in like just weld in like a pipe to see if that would fix it. And actually ended up fixing it. You can see how they did this job here. They just cut it out. And it sucks for the future if it ever like rusts out or you got to change the catalytic converter. But it only cost me like $100 to fix this. The reason I went this way is because the bolts were extremely rusty, and I think it was just cheaper to do it this way. As you can see here, those bolts are like, they don't even have a head anymore. And I feel like it would have been way more expensive to and more time consuming to get those bolts out. But I mean, the correct way would have been to just replace that that piece. This is where it was leaking from. I have with that arrow. That piece is 28903, and then probably the gaskets too. But yeah, if you have the code, make sure you don't have any exhaust leaks right there. I think it's pretty common, again, because I live in the Rust Belt, so it's these exhausts always rust out. And the reason it's picking up that code is because the downstream sensor that reads the catalytic converter is a little more up ahead, so it'll give it wrong readings and it'll set a code. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know and I can try to help you out.